Hey, hello. This is Dr. Bloom. So I'm going to show you this video here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an introduction right now, and I'm going to pause the video, ask another question, and we're going to do a couple of pauses as you start to look at this exercise of doing habituation with a baby. What I really like about this video is well, one, my guess is that this is a professor that's on some sort of paternity leave, which is awesome, or maybe just reawakened their interest in developmental psychology because of a newborn in the house. Having said that, the second thing I like about this is that this is a very sensitive reading, as you can see, not just of I don't know, just spending time with this baby to do this little simple exercise, but also the way that he speaks about the baby looking away as being a message from the baby, which is saying kind of an expression of what's inside their head of, I've had enough of that jar, I think I get it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play you the second little segment, and then I will see what you say to this question. This question is, and just have a piece of paper to write down, or, it's a simple exercise, but if you write it down, it'd be easier maybe. I want you to guess right now when the next habituation is going to happen, at what second. Is the baby going to look longer at the jar, shorter at the jar? And if so, at what second is the baby going to look away? So make that guess. Write that down on a piece of paper, and I will now begin the second exposure. So you can see in this graph here that actually the look away time was almost exactly in half from the first exposure. Now, what I want you to do is they're going to show the baby the jar again, and I want you to try to guess and write down how many seconds it will be before the baby looks away, this third exposure. Okay, so was that something that you guessed? Was this something that you expected, and why did you? Let's look again. what I want you to try to do now is to go into the whiteboard and answer the question that is on the whiteboard, and then we will continue our conversation. Thank you so much.